Vickers Day everyone! This is a day in my life as a content creator and a small coffee shop owner! So fit check muna tayo bago lahat. Na-invite kami ni Evian sa grand opening ng second branch ng Mizu Matcha Matcha and Coffee. Located at Unit 6, Boulevard Plaza, Lazadin Boulevard, Barangay Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga! That was a hard First time ko mag-event with Evian and oh my god, a little backstory. Medyo emo. Pero nung nag-start pala mag-venture out si Evian on content creating, ako yung taga-picture niya, ako yung assistant niya. As in, ako lagi yung dala niya when it comes to event. Ngayon, invited kami both. Very happy about it. Lalang, sobrang saya ko lang. Para kaming mga bata nung nandyan kami. Kasi tuwang-tuwa kami na first time namin magkasama sa event. And hindi lang siya yung binivideohan ko. Kasama ako sa binivideohan. Back to Mizu. Oh my God. Sila yung first matcha bar dito sa Pampanga. And I'm happy I get to see their growth. Kasi ako din yung, kasama din ako dun sa mga unang nag-taste test sa kanila. And I'm really happy. Tapos sa branch na ito, may exclusive pa sila sa menu nila. Bago to, yung Japanese crepes nila. Very crunchy and vibey. Ano vibey? Hindi, masarap siya kasi parang ngayon lang ako nakatikim nung crepe na super crunchy. And I really love it. Very nice touch. Oo, ano na naman yung touch, be? Tapos ito ako sa Nobody's Gonna Know moment. Kasi diba, I'm trying to cut down sugar. So, ayan. May dala siyang alternative sweetener. Kasi, Tapos, sobrang gutom ko na kasi 2 bites lang yung pwede sa akin dun sa crepe. And may dala akong baon. Ito ang keto-friendly or low-carb-friendly na shawarma. From scratch din. Ako din gumawa ng pita niyan. Ay, talaga! Eto na, Kape Vlogs! Nakauwi kami ng 2 p.m. Nag-open ako ng 3. So, as a coffee shop owner naman tayo. Pagka-open ko, may mga dumating na customer. Tapos sila yung na-meet ko sa LU. Oh my gosh, I will insert a clip here. Wala, share ko lang. Bakit? Sila lang yung customer ko nung Saturday. But I'm happy kasi ang dami ko naman natapos and na-accomplish that day. Kahit 3 p.m. ako nag-open, may customer pa din dumating. So, okay, magbe-b-rolls tayo.
Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wished on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my